Hey guys!
Today we'll be making cheese empanadas.
Or how us Dominicans call it, pastelitos.
For more recipes,
Consider subscribing. Now, let's step into our kitchen.
lay your empanada disc on your cutting board. Be generous when adding your cheese.
But not too generous because we want our empanada disc to close.
Quick tip!
Dipping your finger in water and spreading it around the disc will help seal the empanada.
Now we are going to fold it over and press down with our fingers.
Use a fork to help with sealing the empanadas. Once we finish one side, we will flip it over and repeat.
We also like to make mini empanadas by cutting the disc in half. They are perfect for the holidays and gatherings. Quick tip!
These can also be made with chicken or beef fillings.
Turn on the burner to medium-high and pour cooking oil into the pan. Quick tip! To see when the oil is ready, break off a little piece of the disc and throw it into the pan. If it starts to fry, you're good to go.
Drain the excess oil by using a paper towel on top of your plate. Fry until golden on both sides.
Wow, wasn't that easy?
I love pastelitos.
Thanks for joining our kitchen.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes. See you soon!